Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Coding Catharsis. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your own Java journey. So probably, I'm gonna assume that every one of you who are watching right now doesn't know where or how to start their journey in Java. But don't worry, your Kuya Bon is here to help you and give a quick tutorial on installing Java on your computer. So a quick introduction, I am Bon Jovi Montes from Coding Catharsis and I'll be your helping kuya for today's video. So the first thing to do is to check if you have Java already installed on your computer. One way of doing this is to go to your computer's command prompt and search cmd. After pressing enter, we will be able to see a command prompt that look like this. In the command prompt, type javac -version. This allows us to see the version of our Java compiler in our computer. After pressing enter, if we see an error message saying javac is not recognized, there are only two reasons why. The first thing is that you still have not installed Java JDK on your computer, or you still have not set up the environment variable for it. So to fix that, we just have to search and download Java JDK and install it on our computer. So let's go to Google and search for Java JDK, just like this. So as you can see in the results, what we need is the Java SE Development Kit. Just click on it and we'll be able to see different types of installers for different types of operating systems. But for this tutorial, I will be showing you installer for Windows operating system. So you just have to download this and wait for it to finish downloading. So after downloading the installer, we will gonna run it to install Java JDK into our computer. After opening the installer, you will be able to see a new window that looks like this. So basically, we're just gonna follow the instruction and press next. Here, we will gonna provide the installation directory where the Java JDK will be installed. In regards to the installation folder, you're free to change its directory depending on your preference. Just like this, press change and you will be able to see a new window. But for this tutorial, I will be using the default path. So just click next and let's just wait for it to finish. And as you can see here, we have finished installing and we just have to close it. So after installing, we have to make sure if the Java JDK is working correctly. So in order to do that, we only have to open the command prompt by searching cmd on the search window, and we will be able to see the command prompt. So in the command prompt, we just have to type again javac -version. If we didn't get an error message, it means that we have successfully installed Java JDK on our computer. But for those people who still get the same error message, such saying that Java is still not recognized, then we need to set up the path of the Java JDK into your environment variables. So in order to do that, we must search environment variables on our search window. So after pressing enter, we will be able to see a new window just like this. So we must click the environment variables and choose the path here, edit it, and we're gonna add the path of the Java JDK here. So we just need to find the folder directory where you installed Java JDK earlier. So based on the tutorial that I made earlier, I save it on the default path, which is local disk C, program files, Java, and JDK. So we just need to copy this folder directory and paste it on our environment variable, just like this. Press new, paste, and OK. That's it. So just press OK, OK, and let's open command prompt. But before we test it, we must close the command prompt first and reopen it again. Command prompt. Okay, so we're gonna type again the Java version, and then you will no longer see any error messages saying that Java is not recognized by the system. So after doing all of those, we have now successfully installed Java JDK into our system. For the next Java tutorial video, I will be showing you where to start coding in Java. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content in the future. If you have any questions or requests, just comment down below, or you can just also contact us on our social media channels, which I will provide links in the video description below. Stay safe and God bless everyone.